started, I was 25 with no real clue except wanting to get that paycheck and pay off my wedding. And now I kind of have a direction. My leaders have been supportive and guiding and encouraging. So I was able to figure out, hey, project management's where I want to be.
I'm a licensed plumber gas fitter by trade. I came in and worked in the emergency response room back in 2010, and to be here today as a delivery manager is a testament to the business. The benefits for me is that career development, the opportunity to be able to come through a business, be trained, be competent in what you do.
Going into the interview process, I kind of didn't really have much hopes because when I first applied for it, I was 34. So as like an older woman with no trade experience, I was like, who's going to hire me? They don't care about your age or who you are as long as you're a hard worker, cool person.